Hello and welcome to Walkthrough with Nacho. Hi, this is Nacho Yanez with Homes Chula Vista, and today we are in a very nice all ages or family park. Okay, the name of the park is Imperial Sands, but the street here is 1833 Cindy Street. So I'm pointing there because you see the park. That thing across is the Home Depot. So that is Saturn Boulevard. Palm Avenue is right there. We're in South San Diego. And there's the Home Depot there. There's a Walmart as well. So it's a big mall. And it's just a walking distance. It's like really literally 5 minutes. And on the other side, well, this is the home, which is really, really good. But let me tell you a little bit more about the park. Because right over there, we're pointing west right now. 5 minutes drive, you got Imperial Beach and the ocean, which is really 5 per month. All right, so, well, let's come in. Let's look at it. So one of the things, the home is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The size this is a 20 by 44, so you have 880 square feet approximately. And yeah, it has, the yard is on the other side. We will see it later. It has a nice patio. And this is it. So look how nice. So this is the main entrance, and you see the dining area. Of course, it's 2015, so the windows are double pane, brand new. It doesn't have air conditioning. You don't really need it here, but the owner upgraded it with this ceiling fans. There's another one in the master bedroom and another one in one of the bedrooms. That's really nice. So it doesn't have a closet, but it has a bedroom, and you can put a closet right here as well. 1,005 per month. Right. So, well, let's come in. Let's look at it. So one of the things, the home is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. The size this is a 20 by 44, so you have 880 square feet approximately. And yeah, it has, the yard is on the other side. We will see it later. It has a nice patio. And this is it. So look how nice. So this is the main entrance, and it doesn't have a closet, but as you see, they're using it as a bedroom, and you can put it here as well. So, and again, it has a ceiling fan. It's good space. And yes, it has this one has a spacious closet and some more storage, some shelves in here. Okay, so that's like the laundry room, but we will see it later. Okay, and this is the master bath. This is the guest bathroom. You can see, not very nice as well. It's a vanity. It's a full bathroom, so it is. You got your tub here, toilet. And this is the master. Okay, so again, it comes with a nice closet, another ceiling fan as well. This has nice size. And of course, as a master, it has the master bathroom en suite. So this is it. This is Nacho. Thank you, Derek. or your comments. If you have any further comments, you can put them, make it as we go, or you can put them later. This is the tap. Mm-hmm. And again, yeah, this is a vanity. So it's moving ready. It's not one of the big 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom homes, but it has 3 bedrooms, is spacious enough, and the location in this park is amazing. And the rent is, yeah, $1,005 per month. So that's really good. Okay, so let's pick, before we go out, let's go again and give you a panoramic of the kitchen. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. In the living room, okay. And now let's see the patio. The good thing about this home is that in this park, a lot of the mobile homes do not really have a yard, and this one does. This is the this has the furnace, and this is the laundry room. Okay, the home doesn't come with washer and dryer, but it comes with the hookups here, and you can put a stackable. And this is the exit to the yard. So let's see. This is the parking carport. So it has one space, and remember 2 in front of the home. And this is the patio. It has no maintenance, which is good because again the seller also put these nice tiles. Mm-hmm. And even has a little bit more yard behind the home. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's recap. All right, so in essence, this is a 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms home in all ages park. The address is 1833 Cindy Street here on San Diego, 92154. So we are next to Saturn and Palm Avenue, right across from the mall, where you have the Home Depot, Walmart, and many other things in here that's really nice at walking distance. You are 5 minutes from the ocean, so we're almost on Imperial Beach in here, and we're next to the 5, and so the location is really convenient. The rent of the space is very convenient as well, so it's $1,000.05, so 1005 per month. Okay, so the home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms from 2015. The size is 20 by 44, so 880 square feet. And I think that's all I had to say for you today. If you got any other questions, well, the home is, of course, as a very new home, is financiable, depending on your credit and everything. I have seen for some of my clients, they are giving now a 5% down payment. And if you need any information, I can put you in contact with the loan officers and so. So, well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hit a like if you like it, or send it to people if you think that somebody else may be interested. And subscribe to our channel, and that's great. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.